My inbox is literally filled with DMs like this. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing my proper skincare routine. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, hi, my name is Shriya. I make beauty, lifestyle and fashion related content. So if you want to be updated with all new videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon right next to it. I mean, I will not blame you guys, but yeah, my skin really looks flawless in camera. Let me burst your bubble, it's not that flawless. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my skincare routine, and trust me, it's not that complex. Number one is that I don't have any major skincare issues, like I don't get pimples or acne that often. There's one thing that really bothers me, and that is I have dry skin. Just like me, my skin is also needy and attention seeker. It needs time to time care. And secondly, I am that person who gets overwhelmed so quickly that I sometimes tend to take my skin for granted. And just because of that reason, I am so picky with my skincare. And after I guess 1.5 years of experience, I have gathered my go-tos that I know that will never disappoint me. So let me introduce you all to them one by one. Now that I've said everything that I wanted to, get something to munch on, something to hydrate, and let's dive straight into my skincare routine. Before starting the video, let me give you a little bit of disclaimer that I am not expert here. I'm just sharing what my skincare routine looks like. So if it works for you, I'm really happy that this video serves its purpose. But on the contrary, your skin needs some extra care, then just watch it for fun and entertainment. The very important thing in my skincare routine has to be these clips so that I can, attach my hair back. I'm just kidding, of course. This is how I'm gonna look for like next 13 to 15 minutes. The first and the major thing that I would like to go ahead with is a cleanser. I know I have shown you all this cleanser, but trust me, this really works. I like to take literally just 2 pumps of it. That's sufficient. Then I would rub it nicely on my hand and then gently massage it on my skin. I'm focusing mainly on those areas where I tend to get blackheads. Once you massage it well, it started to take your dirt and makeup out, and then just add some water, rinse it nicely. I'm just gonna go and wash my face. I'll be back. Literally after using that cleanser, my skin feels so refreshing. Just look at that. Also, I'm so proud of myself that I didn't wet my clothes. Progress. The next thing that I would love to go ahead with this face mask. I don't generally use face mask that often, but now that I am sharing my skincare routine to you all, and it's been a while that when I last time कब किया था ये mask use, this is how it looks. It's so purpley. This also smells so nice. This face mask actually comes with a spatula, but वो इतना ज़्यादा handy नहीं होता, उसको बहुत time लगता है application के लिए. So I bought this from DIY. I'm just gonna take just a little bit of amount and spread it all over my face.
The texture is super smooth and easy to apply. It has this slight cooling sensation which feels so refreshing to my skin.
I literally have very small attention span कि मुझे ना ये इतना ही करने में अब बोर होने लग गया है.
This genuinely exfoliates a lot of my dead skin and whiteheads to some extent.
This is how I am looking. I don't know about you all, but I love this color on me. I don't know if I'm making sense to you all. Now what I'm gonna do is just to wait for this to get dry, but in the meantime I am planning to read this book, The Kite Runner. My sister has read this and she has some really good things to say about this. So I am gonna go give this one a try and wait for it to get dry. Bye.
To be honest, I am trying to concentrate here as I love rom-com books, and I know this book has serious backstory with a lot of trauma and baggage. Oh god, this is gonna haunt me for days now.
I was literally reading my book very peacefully, and then it just hit me that my lips are getting so chapped right now. I don't know, it's been few weeks, they are the same, and I thought why not do something about it. And I have this Am Caffeine ka lip scrub, so let's just use it and then go back to read again. This is Am Caffeine Negged and Raw Coffee Lip Scrub. I have to say this is a lip scrub that I absolutely love. I have used others as well, but this just works wonders. Can you all see how much I have used it? This is almost like about to get over. I am gonna let this sit here for 10 to 5 minutes and do its all the magic. Then I'm gonna scrub it with my mask. I actually went behind the camera and washed my face. Now my face genuinely feels so soft and lightweight. Now let's just move on to the second step, that is face mask. I generally don't prefer face mask. I love to use serums and all, but recently I visited DMart and there I found this face mask that is Mirabelle Cosmetic Korea, and I literally love it क्योंकि इसमें लिखा है made in Korea, and we all know Korea is generally known for their skincare products. So I am really excited to try this out. I don't know what to feel about this smell. It's average. Okay, here comes the mask. This is one of the reason why I don't like mask, because इसका जो पूरा serum है ना वो हाथ में लग जाता है, and I don't prefer that. Yeah. Okay. This is not how my face looks like. Okay, this is how it looks. Why is this simple skincare so hard? Now I just have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes and relax a bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and set a timer for this because I'm not comfortable at all this sitting on my face. This much is left to. And remaining I'm gonna use it on my hands. This is Blueberry Facial Sheet Mask, #1 K Mask, Hydrate, Firm Skin, Anti-Aging. I don't think so that I need anti-aging right now. 10 minutes, I'll be back. It's been more than 15 minutes that I've put on this. It's time for me to remove. Oh my god. Thand. It looks so funny. I have some leftover. Let's just use that also. I am thinking कि बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है. Let me know in the comment section how my nails looks like. I love it. One of the main reason that I am doing this video is also because I have done my nails and I was thinking कि let's do some videos जहाँ पे मेरा हाथों का ज़्यादा काम हो, so that I can just show you all my nails. I'm planning to use gua sha because it's so slippery right now. I got my gua sha right in here. Finally, the serum is all absorbed. Let's just move on to the next step, that is a toner. You all know I have purchased a toner for myself and I am literally loving it. I am going to be using this Plum Rice Water Niacinamide Toner. I have heard so many good things about rice water that it just makes your skin looks like very glassy and glossy finish. So we're going to do that. Okay. I am gonna let this sink here for a while and then just massage it well in my skin. I don't know guys if you all can see this on camera or not, but my skin literally got tighter. I have been watching literally so many celebrities using that milk wala जो toner आता है, and I am in hunt of that toner as well. I guess मैंने एक देखा भी था that was from Faye Beauty, but then I was like कि ठीक है, let's just tone down my shopping habits. हर चीज़ें add to cart करना ज़रूरी नहीं होता है हमेशा. So वन थिंग एट अ टाइम. पहले मैं इसे ये फिनिश करूंगी, देन अगर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे ज़्यादा ऑब्सेशन हो रहा है, देन आई विल बाय दैट. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. अगर मैं फेस मास्क यूज़ नहीं करती तो लिटरली मैं फेस सिरम यूज़ करती, बट नाउ दैट आई हैव यूज दैट फेस मास्क, तो उसमें भी सिरम था और वो बहुत सारा हमने गुआशा से भी किया है. तो आई एम जस्ट स्ट्रेट मूविंग फॉरवर्ड विथ क्रीम. दिस इज फ्रॉम L'Oreal Paris Revital Hyaluronic Acid. I think it's time for L'Oreal to just hire me because I just love it. I am using this in every one of my makeup videos and skincare videos, and I'm still not over this. This literally feels so soft, and my dehydrated skin genuinely need this. If you're someone who is literally sick of your dry skin, then just do give this a try, because I was the one person जो कि ना एक टाइम पर सरसों का तेल लगा के बहुत खुश हो जाता था कि ठीक है, now my skin will be hydrated. Can you all see how plumpy my skin looks? मेरा skin यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा dry हो जाता है, so I like to concentrate and focus more on these areas. Sometimes when I'm not using gua sha, then I use my fingers to just snatch my face. अगर ये मेरा डेली का स्किन केयर रूटीन होता तो मैं इसे यहीं पर ख़त्म कर देती, but I am doing my proper skincare routine, so I'm gonna go one step ahead and use this Foxtel का moisturizer. This is so lightweight and you know ये सिर्फ दिख रहा है इतना, but ये इतना easily blend हो जाता है आपके skin पर. I absolutely adore the way it works on my skin. Again, this you can also apply near your eyes areas and they are legit safe to you. I know it might look to you all that I'm using quite a lot of product and they are absolutely unnecessary, but try to think it from my point of view. I try to shoot and I always shoot 3 to 4 videos per day. I always remove makeup, then apply makeup, so all this washing thing makes my skin very dry and they all just get so messy. This is what I do to get a good night's sleep. The last thing that I'm gonna add on my face is a good lip balm. Right now I'm using this Hyphen ka vitamin infused peptide lip balm in the vanilla flavor. I am using this one and I have one more go-to, this Vaseline ka shea butter one. I just love the smell of both of them. I just keep on switching in between this and this. I just love both of them. They are always in my carry bag. This is everything that I apply on my face. But as I've said in the previous videos also, that now that I've done my nail extension done, I am more curious towards my hands also. Previously, मैं इतना ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देती थी the way my hands actually looks, but y'all can clearly see I am like taking care of that and I love to accessorize them. So I am gonna go ahead with my hand cream that is by Nykaa. This much amount I'm gonna take. Initially I was not that big of a fan about this hand cream. I didn't like the smell, but now जब ये ना अच्छे से blend हो जाता है आपकी skin में तो थोड़ा सा ना tame down हो जाता है ये smell और उसके बाद जो थोड़ी थोड़ी सी smell आती है, थोड़ी सी खुशबू आती है, वो अच्छी लगती है. That's what I apply on my hands to get this pretty hand. For some people, skincare means taking care of this area, but no, let me burst your bubble right here. It also adds body care, and for my body care, I always go for my trusty Vaseline body lotion. हर एक वीडियो छोड़ के एक वीडियो में मैं इसके बारे में बता ही रही हूँ. And why would I not be this much obsessed with this product? Can you all see the consistency? This is so, you know, milk-like texture, very runny. इतना easily blend हो जाता है ना आपके skin पर. It just leaves no chip. I know I'm the only one using this product, so I am gonna take this with me to summer as well. How easily it just blends on my skin. I just love it. No matter if you're an oily skin person or a dry skin person, just do give this product a try. I am damn sure you're gonna love this one. This is Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance Serum in Lotion and 10x more powerful than vitamin C. I'm just gonna apply some on my legs also. I'm that person who just hates cracky skin and this rough elbow area, so whenever I'm stepping out of my house, I just make sure that my head to toe is all moisturized. Let's move on to the second step of my skincare routine, that is combing my hairs. I know my hairs has been through a lot and I respect my hair so much. You'll get this in any good cosmetic stores and just give this one a try. I don't know how to explain this, but every stroke of this wooden comb just feels like massage and I feel so relaxed. Just give this one a try, then we'll talk. I don't know if y'all can see it on my face or not, but I genuinely want my hair back the way it looks in my 10th or 9th, you know. Moving on to the very last step of my skincare routine is I love to smell good. Even if I'm in my space, I just love it. Like this stinky feeling, like whenever I'm in this place also, I always have some candles lit up in each corner of my room. And I'm in that phase of my life where I am also experimenting a lot with my fragrance, which I can call my go-to fragrance. And right now I am starting very slow. तो मैंने सिर्फ अभी तक Zudio के ही और थोड़े बहुत इधर उधर के perfumes try किए हैं. And currently I am obsessed with this perfume from Zudio. I am very bad in explaining the fragrances, but I can tell by this that this is something in the middle of very sweet and citrusy. If you are visiting Zudio anytime soon, just make sure to try this one. You'll fall for this. I love it. That was everything about my skincare plus body care routine. I hope you all love this raw and very real Shia. To keep this video as authentic as I can, I try to be myself as I can. Every product that I used in this video will be mentioned below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And I'm not kidding at all. There is something very special, very close to my heart coming up. I have been working on that for a really long time. So I'm just praying to hit 5 minutes up as soon as I can. Having said that, I am signing off. But before that, don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite part, share this video to your friends and family, and ask them to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you super soon in my next one. Bye.